Welcome back to Car Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly exciting, the brand new 2025 Blue Breeze. This car has been making waves, and we're here to find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. Right away, the design of the Breeze 2025 stands out. It's sleek, modern, and aerodynamic, with sculpted lines that not only look stunning but also improve efficiency. The signature LED lighting gives it a bold and futuristic presence, especially at night. And check out these wheels, 20-inch alloys that complement the overall sporty look. One of the coolest features. These flush door handles pop out when you unlock the car, keeping the exterior smooth and enhancing aerodynamics. And let's talk about color. This deep blue finish isn't just eye-catching, it's designed with a special UV-resistant coating to maintain its shine for years. Now, let's check out the interior. This is where the Breeze 2025 really steps up its game. From the moment you sit inside, you're greeted with a mix of premium materials, soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. This 15-inch infotainment screen is the hub of the car. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, has built-in AI voice commands, and features real-time navigation with live traffic updates. The interface is smooth, responsive, and easy to use. And if you're someone who loves music, the 12-speaker premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with memory settings, and you get a fully digital instrument cluster that adapts to your driving style. Whether you want a minimalist look or a performance-oriented display, it's all customizable. Now, rear passengers aren't left out either. There's ample legroom, thanks to the Breeze's smart space utilization. You get rear climate controls, USB-C charging ports, and even optional heated seats for those colder months. Alright, let's pop the hood and talk performance. The Blue Breeze 2025 comes with two powertrain options, a 2.0L turbocharged engine producing 250 horsepower and a hybrid variant that adds an electric motor for a combined 300 horsepower. Both are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and excellent fuel efficiency. Time to take it for a spin. The first thing you notice when driving the Breeze 2025 is how refined it feels. The suspension is tuned for comfort yet provides enough feedback to make driving enjoyable. Whether you're in the city or on the highway, the ride remains smooth and controlled. You also get multiple drive modes: Eco, Comfort, and Sport. In Eco mode, the car optimizes fuel efficiency, while Sport mode sharpens throttle response and tightens steering for a more dynamic feel. The steering is precise, and body roll is minimal, making this a great option for those who enjoy spirited driving. And thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system, traction is impressive even on wet roads. Safety is a big focus for the Breeze 2025. It comes with an advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work seamlessly to keep you safe on the road. Parking is a breeze, literally. The 360-degree camera system gives you a full view of your surroundings, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. And with automated parking assist, the car can even park itself with just the push of a button. So, is the 2025 Blue Breeze worth it? Absolutely. It's stylish, packed with technology, and offers a balanced mix of performance and efficiency. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who loves weekend road trips, this car has something for everyone. The starting price is competitive, making it a solid choice in its segment. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Breeze 2025? Would you take it for a spin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.